What is the area formula of a triangle? The formula for the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. To understand where this formula comes from, let's start off by studying a rectangle and see where that leads. Recall that you find the area of a rectangle by multiplying its length by its width. Now, if you divide this rectangle into 2 equal parts using a diagonal, you end up with 2 right triangles. The area of each triangle must therefore be the area of the rectangle divided by 2, which leaves us with this formula for the area of a right triangle: length times width divided by 2. In right triangles, it is more common to use the term base instead of length and height instead of width, but they're really the same thing. The area formula for a right triangle is therefore base times height divided by 2. Now then, what about other types of triangles? Let's take a closer look at this triangle. It can be formed into any type of triangle by changing its angles and the lengths of its edges. If you can find the area of this triangle, you will know the area for all triangles. This is the base, and this is the height. Notice that the height here starts at a vertex, which is always the case. It always forms a 90-degree angle to the base. You can imagine this triangle as being made up of 2 right triangles. Let's call the base of this triangle base 1, and the base of this triangle base 2. The heights of both triangles are the same as the height in triangle ABC. If you use the area formula for a right triangle, the area of this triangle will be base 1 times height divided by 2, while the area of this triangle will be base 2 times height divided by 2. You find the area of triangle ABC by adding the areas of the 2 smaller triangles together. Base 1 times height divided by 2 plus base 2 times height divided by 2. This is the same as base 1 times height plus base 2 times height divided by 2. You can now factorize the numerator, writing it as the quantity base 1 plus base 2 times height divided by 2. The base of triangle ABC equals the sum of base 1 and base 2. So, the area of triangle ABC equals base times height divided by 2. The area formula for all triangles therefore equals base times height divided by 2. It is important that you always pick the correct base and height for the formula to work. Remember, the height will always start at a vertex, and it always forms a 90-degree angle to the base. Fortunately, it does not matter which edge you choose as your base. The area of the triangle doesn't change if you turn it upside down. The formula for the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2.